Hey, welcome back. I just wanted to show a few time lapses of a few things that I printed. Here is the time lapse for the space benchy that I printed. Oh, and here's a time lapse of a tissue box holder for my vehicle. It's printed in PETG or PETG, but I didn't know at the time when I was doing it, and I forgot that I needed to print it in ABS or ASA for heat resistance. So I ended up not using this one after it printed. So in the meantime, while I was waiting for my order of ASA filament to come, I printed a few airplanes for my son. In this time lapse, I finally got the ASA filament, but it failed because I didn't use the temperatures. But here, I actually set the temperature higher in the chamber and the bed, and that worked really great. And I know in the time lapse, it looks like it has a lot of layer lines, but I can assure you, in person, this printed flawlessly with no defects whatsoever. All right, that's it for now. See you in the next one. Thanks.